As an educator, your actions set an example for your students. Modeling and discussing sustainability practices will help your students form the habits of a responsible global citizen. It could be as simple as placing a sign by the light switch, reminding students to turn off the lights if no one's in the room. Have a brief conversation at the beginning of the year about why it's important to turn off the lights when they're not needed in order to conserve energy. You can have a pencil collection jar, where any pencils left behind on the desks or floors at the end of the day get collected. At the end of the month, the pencils can be counted as an example of the resources that are wasted and could be reused. Talk to your students about the raw materials that go into a pencil, or how far each part had to travel before making it to the classroom. Your students may not realize the impacts of transporting materials around the world. According to a 2012 study conducted by Yale University and the Environmental Protection Agency, less than 22% of discarded materials are recycled in the United States each year. Teaching your students how to sort the recyclables and waste can help make a huge positive impact, especially since the amount of waste on Earth is expected to double in the next 15 years. You can make it into a fun game. Give each group of students a few items to sort into either landfill or recycling piles. Whichever group sorts the items correctly first wins. Each week, or even every day, students can take turns checking the class recycling and trash bins to see if any items ended up in the wrong place. Then, discuss corrective actions for making sure the items are correctly sorted. Lastly, you can encourage students to bring a reusable water bottle to school rather than using a disposable container. Americans alone throw away over 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour. Plastic water bottles cannot degrade in nature, meaning there are billions of plastic water bottles floating around, usually in our oceans. There are infinite ways you can make sustainability practices a priority in your classroom right now. By making it a classroom priority, your students will make it a daily life priority.